It's Denise, and I just wanted to show you what I woke up to this morning. I looked out my window at my crabapple tree in the front yard, and it is in full bloom. And it was so beautiful, I just had to share. Let's take a look. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love this tree. I think it is so beautiful. Now, don't look at that ivy underneath there. I don't know. There's something going on with my ivy. I'm going to probably have to take it all out because it's dying. But look at the tree. Is it not absolutely amazing? Let's get a quick close-up. Look at those blooms. Yesterday, they were still tightly curled, and today they're all out. See, they were all looking like those little tight pink buds yesterday, but now it's amazing. And let me show you the flowers for Mom. They're still looking pretty good too. I haven't taken them over there yet. I'll probably take them over later on today, but they're looking pretty good too. So let you take another peek at them. Here they are. And they're looking just as good today as the other day when I put this pot together. She's going to absolutely love it. And remember last year I put those little birds in? Well, they're back again, so I switched the pot out with what I put in it, but I kept those little birds. Aren't these gorgeous? And then here's those other two little ones that I bought for myself. So I really don't have a lot going on today. I just wanted to show you my crabapple tree and how the flowers for Mom are looking. So that's it for now from This and That with Denise Jordan. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And who knows, maybe I can bring you another garden minute.